Class 8 children, we are now going to do question number 2. We'll continue with the exercise 13.1. Now I am doing question number 2. Now in question number 2, actually they are using the reverse identity. That is, they are starting from right hand side and reaching to left hand side. So unless and until you have the formula or you have learned the formula, you just can't use the identities here itself. So you have to learn them, then only you can use them or apply them in the exercise. Now question number 2, I have taken C part because in C part it was power 4, so I thought it might confuse you, that is why. Although the questions are in fact oral here, but if it is given in your problem form, you need to know the steps and do it systematically. Now the question says x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 into x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Now looking at the question, it must strike to you that both the brackets are having only the change of sign. One is having minus, one is having plus. Hence the formula to be used is this one. See the right hand side of the formula, compare it here, you will get the left hand side required. Now we know A is x to the power 4, B is y to the power 4. So you can compare them, A minus B into A plus B. It should be A square minus B square. That is the reverse formula or the identity to be used. So what is A square? X to the power 4 whole square minus y to the power 4 whole square. And from the knowledge of exponents, we are doing in the order as it is given in the book. That is why now you see the exponents chapter is also getting used. You have to multiply the power. Now what do you get is x to the power 8 minus y to the power 8. Hence this is your final answer. So once you know the identity, you can use it properly, get the answer, that is all. Now I am doing question number E part. Now E part, just see, it's a decimal expression. Algebraic expression is 3.5 x square minus 2.5 y square into 3.5 x square minus 2.5 y square. Now both the brackets are exactly coincident or similar or equal. That means it is simply to be multiplied and hence the power 2 will come. Because x into x is equals to x square. So this complete bracket into this complete bracket becomes to the power 2. That is all. Nothing to worry about. So anything when multiplied 2 times, you write to the power 2. So write the complete bracket to the power 2. Now comes question number F part. I have taken F for you. X cube plus 2 by x cube, one bracket, into x cube minus 2 by x cube. Now again it is plus sign here, minus sign here. That means the difference formula to be used. Now using difference formula, what you get is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Therefore, in place of a it is x cube, in place of b it is 2 upon x cube. So a square will be x cube square minus 2 by x cube square. I hope this step is very clear. Now you can simplify further. What do you get is x to the power 6 minus 4 to the power 3 into 2, that will be again 6. So finally your answer is x to the power 6 minus 4 upon x to the power 6. Children, go through all the steps. If any problem is there, you may ask in interactive session. Clear your doubts here itself.